I believe that the charm of the exhibition industry is to create the value through the planning and operation of human beings, creating something from nothing.
The most significant part of this industry is its role as a catalyst in business fields.
전시 산업은 다른 모든 산업의 구성원들을 서로 이어주고 또 방향성을 제시하는 중요한 역할을 한다고 생각합니다.
Exhibitions are an offline integrated marketing platform that reads the trends of the times and presents future developments.
For tomorrow's wide exhibition industry, let's think of it as a period when we can develop and prepare technology-based exhibition services.
코로나19 이전의 상황으로 다시 한번 폭발적인 성장을 기대할 수 있을 거라고 생각합니다.
COEX will stand with the future of the Korea exhibition industry that encountered a new turning point.
저희 서울관광재단에서도 더 나은 방법으로 전시산업을 지원할 수 있도록 최선을 다해 고민하도록 하겠습니다.
한국 전시산업도 코로나 이후에 전시산업의 부흥을 위해서 준비 중에 있으니 관계자분들을 한국에서 자주 뵐 수 있기를 희망합니다.
Congratulations, UFI, for its first ever UFI Asia Pacific Week. Korea is a country filled with excitement and will continue to make Korea a world-class business event destination. We hope to see you soon in Korea.
I'll see you guys in Korea.
See you in Korea.
See you in Korea.
See you in Korea.